Today we're going to make some cute spring birds out of toilet paper rolls. First we're going to put a bead of glue halfway around the toilet paper roll on one end and flatten it out, pinching it together. That's going to create the tail of our bird. And here I'm going to do it to all of the ones that I'm going to do at the same time because I like to do an assembly line. So I do all the tails first. Then on the other end, I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to round off the corners with a pair of scissors. So I'm cutting little triangles off or little curved arcs. And then I'm going to do the same thing as I did on the other end. I'm going to glue it together, but it's at a 90 degree to the tail. So when the tail's pointed up and down, the front of the bird's going to be left to right. I'm going to use the corners in the about 3/4 of the way up the end of the bird to be the beak. And you can see here that I've poked them out so that the tips of the corners are sticking out as an upper and lower beak. And then I glue that shut and pinch it closed. Once that's dry, I then paint them. And you can paint them whatever colors you want. We went with pastel or spring colors. They're not really pastels, but spring colors. Blue, pink, and yellow. Painted the beaks orange. And then after that, it'll be time for some detailing. And we've drawn on wings with using a wing template that we made so that all of our wings match. But you don't have to. You can decorate them any way you want. And then you can use marking pens, paint pens, and markers to put in the eyes and any details you might want. We did some polka dots and we did some feathers and we did some fun stuff. But really, the sky's the limit because you're dealing with birds.